Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to change the name in Outlook Mail. So for us to get started, I'm here on my Outlook right now and I'm gonna go ahead and head over to File and then hit the account settings and then account settings once again. Now I have two mails right here. The one that I'm mainly using is my MS365 and this is actually a work or a school email. So there is a difference in regards to that of personal. So if for example I'm using the personal right here, I can go ahead and double click on it, and then as you can see it says your name and then account name. I can go ahead and just choose this one. Say for example I'm gonna go ahead and use a personal mail. All right, there you go. And I'm going to do the same thing for the account name. Now I can go ahead and tap next and hit done. And as you can see, I have somehow changed that one. For the professional though, this is actually pretty difficult. As you can see, when I'm going to click that one, it's not allowing me to do that. So that is a difference between these two right here. Again, this one is a professional work email, so I'm not able to change this. And that, everybody, is how you are going to change the name in Outlook Mail.